one? Adele? Bubblegum? Yucky.
Yeah.
But I wrote for bubblegum.
Yearbook and the gift card. You want bubblegum?
I put Adele.
Adele's the most adorable.
Who put
Is
Adele?
that your final answer?
Maybe final answer?
All right. Adele. Do you have Adele?
Not that, was yours a bubblegum? Yours must have been your yearbook.
Bill?
No winner.
No, I put gift card.
No.
You said that was your final.
People someone.
No, you already picked your final answer.
Final answer.